Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change audio track on Netflix. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and start looking for Netflix. And what you're going to do, you're going to double check if your Netflix app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and I'm going to go ahead to my browser. And as you can see right here, this is like my browser right now. And if you want to change the audio track, just go ahead and open up the Netflix settings or Netflix app, and at the lower right tap My Netflix, and in the upper right just tap the menu, and then tap Manage Profiles. Choose the profile that you want to edit, and then tap Audio and Subtitles, and then select preferred languages from audio and subtitles. The new languages will automatically will be saved. If you want a demonstration on how it's done, you just go ahead and into play your own. This is another way. Actually, you can just go ahead to any show that you are watching right now, and then just go ahead and play the video. You're gonna be able right here to see an audio and subtitles, so then click on it, and you're gonna be able to change the audio language, and you're gonna be able to change the subtitles as well. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media.